In 1998, a dream began on the beautiful island of Hawaii.
He chose one extraordinary gift for the most important day of his life.
Emily was the love he had always dreamed of.
Together, they admired the beginning of their new journey.
Every detail reflected elegance and timeless craftsmanship.
My love,
Your carriage is waiting.
it's even more beautiful than I imagined.
Today begins our forever. Yeah.
As long as we're together, can you believe we're finally here? Yeah.
I've dreamed of this day for so long.
No matter where life takes us.
I'll always be by your side.
Their unforgettable journey had finally begun.
Everyone turned to witness their grand arrival. Promises were made beneath the Hawaiian sky.
One photograph would preserve this moment forever.
This has been the happiest day of my life. Yeah.
And it's only the beginning. Yeah.
Promise we'll always remember today.
I promise, forever.
The limousine became a symbol of their love. They never imagined this beautiful beginning would become a memory waiting to be rediscovered. 1 year later, everything had changed.
New York needs us. The business can't wait. No.
Then we'll face it together, just like always.
We'll come back for this place someday.
And our limousine will be waiting for us.
Their lives were moving across the country.
New York was calling. Some memories were too precious to leave behind.
She whispered goodbye to their first dream.
They believed they would return soon. Silence replaced celebration. The long wait quietly began. The mansion stood still without its family. A new chapter had begun. Business became his every day. Their greatest treasure waited in silence. Neither of them knew it would wait for more than 20 years. The waiting had quietly begun. The years slipped away in silence. Dust became its only companion. Time slowly touched every surface. Even the tires surrendered to time. Silence filled every corner. Luxury faded, but memories remained. Business became his entire world.
She quietly treasured every memory.
26 years had passed. The wedding limousine waited alone. Its beauty never truly disappeared. Its heart still waited to awaken. Some promises simply needed more time. Its story was far from over. 27 years later, love still filled their home.
One photograph changed everything.
Some memories never grow old.
Their hearts returned to Hawaii.
The limousine had witnessed their beginning.
It was time to bring it home.
I'm afraid it may be too late.
It's never too late for something we truly love.
Then let's bring her home.
Together, just like the day we found her.
I need your best restoration team.
Yeah, we'll treat it like our own.
Bring my wedding limousine back to life.
We'll bring it home.
This was more than a restoration.
Every memory deserved another chance. Across the ocean, it still waited. The rescue was about to begin.
Do you think it's still there?
I've never forgotten it.
It holds our happiest memories.
Then let's bring those memories home.
The journey home was finally planned. Their greatest memory was finally coming home. The mission had officially begun. Every tool had a purpose. Their destination was thousands of miles away.
Hawaii welcomed them once again.
The forgotten mansion stood waiting. Time had changed everything. There it was, exactly where it had been left. Every detail told a story. Its heart was still alive. Nothing would be overlooked. After 26 years, it moved again. The sunlight welcomed an old friend. Its journey home was about to begin. A forgotten legend was finally coming home.
Check the tension on that front left. Right. Looks good. All right, keep coming. Steady, steady. Okay, we need to start with the grill. We need to start platoon, so put gas work just a word.
After decades of silence, it was beautiful again. Every detail remembered its former glory.
Alexander saw more than a car. Emily saw the beginning of their love. One touch brought back 27 years.
The road was waiting again. The past and present met in silence.
A forgotten dream moved through the city once more.
This view reminds me of Hawaii.
But this time we brought the memory home.
After all these years, it still feels like ours.
It always was, just like my love for you. The seats feel just like I remember.
And the moment feels even sweeter now.
We lost many years with this car.
But we never lost the love it carried.